This is Crowser007. Today I'm gonna show you how to get a DisplaRecorder with sound. First, you have to be jailbroken. You go to Cydia. You wait. Cydia. You wait and wait a little. You go. You wait until that's done. Now go faster. Go to manage. Oh, come on. Then go sources. Go edit at h7v.org. I already have it, so I'm not gonna add it. Okay, then done. Go to the source, then go to D, and after you go to DisplaRecorder. After that, you press install and stop. After you done that, you go back to the springboard and you go to setting. I'm gonna show you how to put it like with sound. Okay, go to DisplaRecorder, then go format. It's gonna appear in this one, on this one right here, but there's a new one that says H.264/MLB with mic audio. You're gonna pick that one. Then that's pretty much it. Subscribe and comment and like. Thank you.